In this video, we'll look at how to create a company. You will need to click on the Sage icon on the desktop. Sage will load and you will be taken to the company selection screen. Click on Add New Company and the company setup window will open. This is the same window that you will be using to restore from any backups that you've created in the past. The Setup a New Company option would be selected by default for you, so you can just click on Next. We're at the company details window where we need to enter the company name, address, telephone numbers and emails, any contact details. I'm not going to enter any of that at the moment. I'm just going to enter the name of the company. This is just for demonstration purposes. In the actual exam, you are expected to enter all the details that you've been provided with, so make sure you do that. But for now, I'll just click on, I'll add the name and click on Next. We're on the next window where we need to select the business type. For level 1, we'll be working with sole trader only, so make sure you select sole trader. If you select any of the other type of businesses, you need to know that your nominal codes will be adjusted to those specific business types. So make sure to select your sole trader and then click Next. The next window is where we need to select the financial year that we'll be working with. In our tuition notes, we are working with May 2020, and this window is asking us to select the beginning of the financial year, so that's very important. So once we select May 2020, you can see that the financial year range shows the 1st of May 2020 to the 30th of April 2021. So this is our financial year range. Select May 2020 and then hit Next. The next window is where we need to select the VAT details, and we'll need to tell the system whether the business is VAT registered or not. We'll select yes. We'll enter the VAT registration number, which is 1 through 9. The VAT scheme for level 1 is going to be a standard VAT scheme, and then we'll enter 20, which will stand for 20%, the standard VAT rate. Once we do this, we'll then hit Next to get to the next window. We're now at the window where we have to select the currency that we'll be working with. As you can see, we've got plenty of base currencies that we can use. If you just click on the drop-down menu, you'll see all the available currencies. For the time being, we'll be using a pound sterling, so we'll select our pound sterling and hit Next to continue to the very last window where we'll confirm the details that we've entered so far. So at the very last window, this is where we need to confirm the details that and confirm that we are happy pretty much with what we've entered. You can see the name of the company, the business type, the financial year that we've selected, the VAT scheme, and also the currency. If you are happy with what you're seeing, you should click on Create. At this point, if you're asked to set up a password, a secret question and answer, set those up as manager or lowercase. And then you should all get to a window where you'll be asked if you want to customize your company. You'll just click on Close. And then this will take you to the welcome screen of the software.